Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing the vegetables. Use 4 cups shredded cabbage and 1/2 cup shredded carrot for a medium salad base. Remove the core, then slice the cabbage into thin 1/8-inch ribbons so every bite is tender. Rinse the shredded cabbage under cold water and drain well. Toss the cabbage and carrot with 1 teaspoon salt and let it rest for 10 minutes to soften and release excess moisture. Pat dry with a clean towel before proceeding so the dressing clings to the leaves. Whisk together the dressing in a bowl. Combine 1/4 cup olive oil with 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon honey for sweetness. Add 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard to emulsify the mixture and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper for a mild bite. Season with 1/2 teaspoons salt and whisk until slightly thickened and glossy. Taste the dressing and adjust acidity or sweetness by adding more vinegar or honey in 1 teaspoon increments. Keep the dressing separate until mixing to prevent wilting. To assemble, pour the dressing over the prepared cabbage and carrot in a large bowl and toss for 60 seconds until everything is evenly coated. Fold in optional mix-ins like 1/4 cup chopped cilantro, 2 tablespoons toasted sesame seeds, or 1/3 cup chopped nuts for texture and flavor contrast. Let the salad rest for 10 minutes to marry flavors, then taste and adjust salt or vinegar if needed. Store leftovers in an airtight container for up to 3 days in the refrigerator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.